So now, as you can see, it's dried up. Actually, it's intended to be dry. This is a dried dish. We don't want gravy on this. We will have this along with the chapati or roti. What's up guys, and good morning to everyone. So today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my keema. So again, this is another Indian dish. So for this recipe we will be needing the following ingredients. So I have minced beef, but any meat that's will do. Chicken mince, pork mince, whatever you want, whatever mince you want to use, that's also fine. That is not the one. And then I have here a cilantro or coriander leaves. It's about 2 tablespoons of this. I have chopped tomato, 1 large tomato, 1 large onion. I have 3 green chillies here, and I have about 7 red dried chilies and 3 potatoes.
That's all?
Yes. And then for the spices, I have here coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and black pepper half teaspoon, gramasala half teaspoon, and cumin powder half teaspoon of cumin powder. No, sorry, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and I have 2 cardamom and 1 anise and ½ inch of cinnamon stick.
And we have a yogurt.
And I have 3 tablespoons of yogurt. You cannot really actually see because it's white. Okay, 3 tablespoons of yogurt as well. Let's start.
Now guys, let's start cooking.
Now our pan is heated up. We have to put our olive oil, around 2 tablespoons of it. Any cooking oil, that's fine. So first, let's just get it hot. The olive oil.
Yes.
And now we have to put our red chili first. We have to saute our red chili first. Sorry.
I just don't know how to do it.
Just saute this.
I'm fine, I don't know how to do it. So I just need to do it like that.
So just saute for around 1 minute.
Okay, I'm just gonna go. Just 10 minutes, really good.
So this is fine, and then now we have to remove from the pan. So now this is our red chili. We have fried this first, and now we have to dump our cinnamon stick and star anise and cardamom, and then saute. And then now we to put our onion. And just saute until our onion gets translucent or golden brown. Now on this stage, we can add our ginger garlic paste, which is about 1 tablespoon I'm adding. Not less than ½ tablespoon. And just saute this. And then now we can add our mince. And just give a good mix. Make it properly. So first we have to brown our mince. Now this is perfect. Now it's time to put our tomato. Our Indian spices. Dump everything here. Give a good mix. Followed by the tomato. And then just simmer. Then we'll put our yogurt or dahi. This is low fat yogurt. Just mix well. Give a good mix. And now we can add this is the dried red chili. The first one I fried, then I have cut into small pieces. Just dump it here. Then give a good mix. Just simmer for around 5 minutes. Then we'll put little of water, like about 1 cup of water. And then in this stage, we're gonna put our salt. So salt is as per to your taste. So I'm gonna put mine like 1 teaspoon of salt. I can adjust later if it's needed more salt. So in this, we have to simmer this, cover and simmer. Just simmer this around another 5 minutes. And now, as you can see, our mince is nicely boiling. Now this time, on this stage, we have to put our, sorry guys, I want to add green peas. So a green peas, a potato, and the green chili. We have to dump all together. Actually this dish, it's my husband's request today. So that's why I'm making it today. So now, we have to add water. I'm adding about another 1 cup of water because we have to cook our potato as well and the green peas, so we don't want to get dried up our sauce. And then again, we have to cover this, simmer for around 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, so hot. So now, as you can see, it's dried up. Actually, it's intended to be dry. This is a dried dish. We don't want gravy on this. We will have this along with the chappatti or roti. This is a dry dish. So this is perfect. So let's just check if our potato is okay. Yeah, it's soft now. There's no problem on this. And then we have to taste if its salt is fine as well. I just need little bit of salt. Just little bit. A dash of salt again. And then give a good mix. And this stage as well, we can put our cilantro or coriander. So you have to mix this. Guys, not necessarily that you have to use beef. As what I've said earlier, any meat. As whatever your preferences, any meat will do. can use any meat for this, no problem. But since I have beef mince, because that's my husband's request, so I'm making the beef one. Otherwise, if my choice, I'm gonna use chicken. But anyway, so now this is done. As you can see, our keema is ready. Guys, this is my keema. See, very nice it is. So I hope you have learned something from me today for an Indian dish. This is very easy to make, and of course it's healthy because I have added some vegetables in it. So I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.